Namaskara, my divine family, and welcome to Panch Portal, a weekly reading which will help you define and navigate through this week in 5 areas of your life: spirituality, finance, business and work, your personal relationships, and your personal health. Hi, I'm Shweta. I am a Mokshpat trainer and expert. And today, I bring to you this beautiful program created by the eternal learners of transcending beliefs.
Namaste. Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome to a new weekly series of Panch Portal. Just the way our body is made up of the 5 elements, the Panch Bhutas, our Panch Portal is made up of 5 important aspects of our life: health, relationship, spirituality, business, and finance. My name is Karishma, and I'm going to speak on the aspect of health for the month of August, from 5th August to 11th August. The guidance that we are getting is that you're going to gain good momentum for your health this week. You will realize the need to go back to your basics. You will divert yourself towards naturopathy, homeopathy, or Ayurveda. Inculcate meditation because this will help you with your mental health. For your physical health, do yoga or any kind of workout. For your emotional health, stay away from toxic people and indulge in motivational talks or positive discussions. You need to make the needed lifestyle changes for your positive health. Remember the proverb, early to bed, early to rise, makes a man healthy, wealthy and wise. Because this will help you to get in sync with your circadian rhythm, which is your internal clock. Embrace positive habits and practices. Practice time management because this will help you to not overcommit yourself and include stress. Remember, the key is to be happy. So, stay happy, stay blessed. Namaste.
Hello, Namaste everyone. I'm Lakshita. I'm here to share some insights on navigating relationships for the week of August 5th to August 11th from Mokshapattam Board. Board suggests that relationships are currently focused on serving a higher purpose together and that the connection is strongly rooted in human values such as compassion, empathy, and understanding. It often represents willingness to support each other without expectations of reward or recognition, with a deep understanding and acceptance of each other's strengths, weaknesses, and limitations. It also indicates a strong foundation for a meaningful and supportive partnerships that prioritize mutual growth, healing, and spiritual evolution. By adopting these principles, partners can deepen their understanding and empathy for each other, transform mistakes into opportunities for growth, embrace compassion and empathy as the foundation of your relationship, break free from harmful patterns and cycles, focus on the present moment, releasing the weight of past experiences. Remember, relationships are a journey of growth and evolution. By working together and embracing these principles, partners can strengthen their bond and build a more loving and supportive connections. May these insights guide you and your partner towards a more harmonious and loving relationship. Signing off for now. Stay tuned and stay connected. Thank you.
We're now halfway through this week's weekly reading. And before we move on, let me tell you one little secret about Mokshapat. If you've ever wished for a friend or a guide in your life who will always guide you on the right track to success, prosperity, spirituality, and growth, then Mokshpat will be that friend for you. Now, let's move ahead and watch the rest of the reading.
Hey beautiful souls, I am Vikram Khurana from New Delhi. I am bringing you the guidance from Mokshpatta Board regarding how this week 5th to 11th August will be from spirituality point of view. This week, the spiritual atmosphere is influenced by the energy of irreligiosity or adharma. This energy signifies a period where our spiritual practices and moral values might be tested. It's crucial to remain steadfast and not be swayed by negative influences. The major block for this week is pride. Pride can often cloud our judgment and lead us away from our spiritual path. It's important to stay humble and remember that true spiritual growth comes from acknowledging our limitations and striving to overcome them. The guidance for all spirituality seekers this week is to be wary of deception. Deception can appear in many forms, whether it is self-deception, where we refuse to see our own flaws, or deception from external sources. Stay vigilant, meditate regularly, and seek clarity in your actions and thoughts. For those starting their spiritual journey for the first time in this week, the overall energy influencing new seekers is entertainment. This suggests that you may be drawn to spirituality in a light-hearted and joyful manner. Embrace this energy by finding spiritual practices that bring you joy and curiosity, such as exploring meditation, yoga, or spiritual reading, whatever your souls resonate with. As you begin your spiritual journey, it's natural to notice others who may seem more advanced or enlightened. Instead of feeling envious, use this as your inspiration. Remember, everyone's path is unique and personal. Envy can distract you from your own growth and lead to feelings of inadequacy. Be cautious, as envy can lead to deception. So this deception can manifest in various ways, such as self-doubt or false beliefs about what spirituality should look like. So stay true to your own experiences and insights. Spirituality is all about personal growth and understanding, not about complaining or comparing yourself to others. May these cosmic insights guide you on your unique spiritual journey. Keep those cosmic vibes high and may your path be filled with enlightenment and joy. Thank you. Namaskar.
Namaste. I'm Shashi Sethi, your devoted Mokshpata reader and trainer, bringing for you the beautiful cosmic insights related to 5th August to 11th August 2024 for the attribute of business and profession. The general reading for this week comes with a caution that there is a need of creating a path ahead with conscious choice of what is right on the business front, and whatever decisions you make regarding investment to make your business grow or even to move on to a better proposition or job, you should be making the choice from a powerful position after deliberately looking into the pros and cons of this change, and have full awareness and what it will create for you. Rigid belief systems and past dogmas related to power or authority need to be replaced with concern for everyone in the enterprise. The board guides us to focus on our role and keep communication channels open to understand others' point of view. Avoid making emotional and impulsive decisions based on any prejudice or to satisfy your ego, and detach from internal expectations. Trust in your own capabilities to show good results, and in the divine power and guidance to show the right path ahead. This is all for now. Signing off, this is Shashi Sethi. Stay tuned for more updates.
Namaste. Welcome to Punch Portal. This is Sandhya Shri bringing you the weekly guidance for finances from the 5th to 11th August 2024. Mokshapat suggests that you need to be a bit more careful this week. Avoid unnecessary or unhealthy comparison with your friends, colleagues, or relatives. Housewives, don't fall for false or misleading advertisements or exaggerated discounts. And for those into stock markets, avoid trading blindly based on recommendations or the insider trading. Do your background check before investing or trading. And for business owners, beware of manipulation in your accounting, audits, tax payments, and any such hidden costs. Mokshapat guides you to be proactive in taking necessary measures, plan your income, expenses as per your needs, take the right action at the right time in the right direction for best results. Mokshpat also suggests you to use your financial knowledge and skills to help others who need them. Keep radiating your knowledge. Thank you. Stay tuned for more updates. See you all next week.
That is all for this week. And I hope that this week's reading helps you create a week full of excitement, success, and growth. For more such videos and information, follow and subscribe our channel. And if you have a problem in your life, don't forget to DM us. I will definitely wait for your query and revert back to you. Thank you and see you all next week once again.